What do we have to change to make airplanes fly on hydrogen? Airplanes need fuel, but the fuel we use now is not very good for our planet. That's why we're looking at other kinds of fuel, like hydrogen. But before airplanes can fly on hydrogen, we have to change many things. First, we need special hydrogen factories because there are many airplanes, and they all need fuel. We also have to store hydrogen and think about how to deliver it to the airport and to the plane. We already have storage tanks, but hydrogen is a little bit different than the fuel that's stored in there now. It takes up a lot more space, for example, and it always has to be cooled. The airplane has to change too. The engines, for example, and where we store hydrogen. Engineers are working on all kinds of ideas. One idea is to use special pods. These pods are an electric motor and a hydrogen storage tank in one. We only have to switch the empty pod for a new one, and we're ready to go. What do you think a hydrogen airplane will look like?